Okay, the video today is going to be 55 times Mother Nature got angry on camera. So here in Brisbane, we've actually just gone through a cyclone. Touch wood, we didn't have any damage. We only lost power for a couple of days. That was the worst of it. So let's jump in and let's have a look at Mother Nature being angry. Let's have a look. Oh damn! What is that? A mudslide or water? Oh, oh my God. I would not be standing there. I would be retreating very quickly. Get out the way. Oh my God, Grandma, come on. That's it. Just watch it with your hands on your hips. All right, let's calm down. It's only the first one. Let's calm down. Oh my God. That is going to engulf you in seconds, lady. Get out the bloody way. Wow. I can already tell this is going to be a flash flood. I can already see it.
The color of the water indicates that this is not a mountain stream. In fact, it's a mud flow.
Yep.
These tourists in the Andes risked their lives trying to use this shortcut.
Get out the hell.
But luckily, they had time to react to the incoming flow of rocks.
Oh! Oh my! You would not survive a second in those rocks. Damn. They are lucky.
This landslide happened in the city of Bandipur, Nepal.
Oh my God! Get out the... What is it with people standing there? This motorcycle that's coming up here is just to make it get smashed. They're standing there. It's like, do you not have any survival instincts that kick in and go, you know what? Maybe I should get out the way. Maybe I should move a little bit. No. Oh my God, he's lucky. Oh, man. Oh my. No. Oh my God. It's not even that. On the other side is the power lines are coming down as well. I mean, come on. Man. Oh my God.
In the summer of 2024, a tornado formed right above a Russian airport. The damage was estimated to be at least $2.4 million.
Wow. Oh! See ya.
And from the ground, it looked even more terrifying.
Yikes. Oh my God. They look like paper airplanes with that.
Hail is a motorist's worst enemy.
Yikes.
Each hailstone is a hit not only to the car, but also to the owner's wallet.
Yep. Brisbane, usually just before summer, we usually get pretty bad hailstorms. Luckily, touch wood, I've never been in one, but some of them can get bigger than a golf ball, and that can do some real damage to your car, to you, obviously, buildings, etc. Yikes. Oh. Yikes. Kind of beat up a little bit, eh? Yikes. Oh my God.
Sub-zero temperatures are rare in Baku, Azerbaijan. On this day, local divers weren't ready for the ice. And of course, no one had winter tires.
Oh my God, watch out. Coming through. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh God. That bus driver. You do correct that. What are you What are you doing, son? I just love that everybody's just hanging about, waiting for that big crash either side of the road. You know that's what they're doing. We're humans. We're drawn to it like a flame. We can't help it. Oh no! I've seen kind of video of this where falls in the water, massive big wave. Oh my God! Get out the bloody way! Get out the way!
Even from this angle, this video gives us chills.
Oh my God.
We can't imagine what the people on the boats experienced.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
We better get out of here.
Yeah. That's good. Good advice, lady. Get the hell out of there. Yay. Storm? Ooh! You do not mess with lightning. Oh my God, that is the scariest. That is the scariest. Yikes. Earthquake? Maybe? He went, nope, that's enough outside for today. I'm going back to my room. See you later. Yikes.
When you think of destructive natural events, fog probably doesn't come to mind.
Fog?
But check this out.
Oh, I guess the visibility. Yeah, visibility? Yeah.
In New Orleans, fog caused a pileup on a bridge involving over 40 cars.
Wow.
6 accidents in total. The cars were a mess, but luckily, no one got seriously hurt.
I guess following too close, I guess, you know, but man, fog that thick is dangerous. Obviously. Wow, look at that one. Wow, he's lucky. Yeah, look at that. Nose to tail. Probably following way too close. Not given enough time. Oh my God.
Some people dedicate their lives to chasing tornadoes. In this video, an amateur storm chaser managed to capture the birth of a new tornado.
Oh, wow. I would probably be going. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. I didn't even see it at first. It's behind them. Oh my God. Just run. Don't worry about your damn car. Where is this? India? Pakistan? Oh my God, look at it. Yikes. Oh, that bloke at the back doing a 3-point turn. He's in some real danger. You're in some real danger. Oh. Oh my God.
Check out this
Oh, imagine watching your family home just swept away.
devastating flood in the Indian state of Kerala. It looks like there was never a house there.
Yay. Oh my God.
Sometimes nature's fury is a response to human actions. That's what happened in Myanmar in 2024. The
Open cut
water
mining?
reservoir at the
Oh,
top
reservoir.
was used
Okay.
for water storage from jade mining, but an accident caused it to rupture.
Oh
And the
my
contents
God.
cascaded down the mountain, causing a terrible flood.
Now, it says it's obviously going down the hill, the mountainside. I wonder if it's populated down there and how much time they had to get out. Yikes. Oh my God. Oh. Nah, nah, nah. Scariest thing for me is the ocean. Nah. Oh my God.
Not many people understand the destructive power of water like sailors do. Just look at what they have to deal with during storms.
Can you imagine doing that in a wooden ship? Man, my ancestors were. I don't know how they did it. Crazy, crazy. Yikes. Whew.
You might think this incident in Turin, Italy was due to human error, but no. A strong current ripped the two boats
Oh
away
my
and
God.
carried them towards the bridge.
Oh. Yikes. Because you don't just lose the boats, then you have to obviously, engineers have to come out and make sure the bridge is okay. Yikes. That's a strong current. Wow. That's a real strong current. What the?
As soon as these Italian workers saw signs of a collapse, they made a run for it. Probably the
Oh
best
my
decision of their lives.
God. What the hell is that? Building a bridge? Or something? I don't know what that is.
Seconds later, 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down.
Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. Hail again? Oh my God, look at it. Look at it. See, that's the thing. As I said, we get hail here, but I've never been in it. Do you wind your windows down? Is that going to smack you in the head? Just to save some windows, or do you not worry about it? I don't know. Does it even matter after the car's been pelted? Probably not. Oh, it's just that one car. What the heck? Wow, that's weird. Just that one car. That's weird. That vendetta, obviously. Oh, what are you doing, car in front? Go, idiots. think I've seen video of that before. I think that happens all the time. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section.
Having a house by a river sounds great, as long as it doesn't turn into a house in a river.
The river?
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up.
Oh, oh no.
This lava flow might not be moving fast, but it's destroying everything in its
That's another one. Lava. I mean, you can't stop it, and you know we all know what lava is. But wow, that's another scary one.
path.
Yikes.
Back in 2018, this eruption in Hawaii had residents watching in horror as the lava crept closer to their homes.
Oh! Oh my God! Look at the size of those rocks.
In 2011, the people of Genoa, Italy, experienced the wrath of the Mediterranean Sea. Due to the non-stop rain, most of the city was flooded. The total damage was estimated to be over $1 billion.
Oh.
Oddio, 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 un disastro! Le macchine! Il fiume, vedi?
There's people's in the cars. Oh my God. I just thought they were floating there, but no, there's people in it.
Gente che cade. Il pullman da solo viene trascinato dall'acqua.
Oh Lord, look at that. There's people walking in it. Where the hell are you going?
Guarda qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
Oh my Lord.
In 2023, heavy rains in India caused rivers to overflow. Unfortunately, nature didn't hold back, and many houses paid the price.
It's funny how water is such a life-saving liquid, but man, it can just be so devastating. You just can't hold it back. You just can't. Oh my God. Snow? Where the hell?
Being an Antarctic researcher
Antarctic.
is a
Okay.
challenging job, and this is just a simple walk from one module to another.
I love how they got the rope there. Obviously, you know, otherwise you'd be wandering off wherever. Oh my God. Oh, he's got an Aussie flag on his uniform. Okay.
The weather had a surprise in store for the French Riviera just before the 63rd Cannes Film Festival.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God.
In this case,
Here's another example of what nature can do to a car. The freezing winds in Detroit caused water pipes to burst, and the
Oh.
cars left on the street ended up frozen solid.
Oh my God. How long does that take to thaw out?
Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, a cold weather crew showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly. As Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn Heights.
Oh my God. We did another video about weather. We're seeing this ice on houses.
Freaking cool, dude. Wow. This is actually dope. Oh my.
You might think an artist created an entire ice city, but no. These are real houses covered in ice. The strong winds that brought water from the nearby lake are to blame.
Oh, it's lake. Okay, so it's fresh water. Okay.
This is crazy.
Wow.
Their windows are screwed. Look at this.
I mean, it looks real pretty. It's very artistic, as he said, but.
Wow. Oh my God.
Is it
Sorry
just
for being
solid ice? It is just. Oh my God, it is solid. Oh. Oh. The whole arch fell in. Time to go. Can they not tell that that's coming right for them? Like, can you not tell that's coming right for you?
Hubo gente que salió despedida con los coches.
This tsunami that hit California was caused by an earthquake off the coast of Japan. The water level rose by almost a meter. Even though the tsunami had weakened by the time it reached this port, it still caused $26 million in damage.
Oh my God. 26 million. That's a lot of boats. Yikes. Oh. Oh. Ow. Oh.
Right back up here if it gets under.
Oh, can you imagine if you lived on a houseboat? Just hanging out, whatever. Oh, what the? What the hell splintered? Like somebody's just throwing wood pallets out the window. Whoa! Okay. Oh my God, it's caught up in the electric wire. Oh my God. There it comes.
The sound of this landslide is so intense that it reminds me of a raging river.
Don't get stuck behind the truck. Oh my God, it's still coming. It's still coming. Oh, oh, see you later, bridge.
When the people of Meghalaya, India, saw that their bridge was a goner, they decided to make a spectacle out of its destruction. It rained non-stop for 3 days, and in the end, nature won.
Well, I'm glad nobody was on the bridge, just smart enough to get off it, so that's good. Is that a river?
Our house. Please save us before we float away.
The only thing worse than a flood is a flood in winter. The water
my
not only filled the
God.
houses, but also covered everything with ice. That's exactly what happened in Boston in 2018. Some locals found their cars turned into ice sculptures.
Oh my God, are you driving through that?
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
He is lucky, very lucky.
This terrifying nighttime flood happened in Scotland.
Oh my God, in Scotland? Okay. Wow. Oh, imagine nighttime, you can't see the water, you just hear it. Oh. Terrifying. Oh.
Sometimes it's best to admire the sea from a safe distance. It's probably better if customers don't know their cars were shipped by sea.
Oh, shit. Is something gonna fall off? Imagine that you get a car, brand new car, and it's already been through the ringer in the ocean. I wonder how much rust that's gonna cause. Avalanche. Oh. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. And the building's going to stop it? So is that just... What is that? Like a fog or something afterwards? I don't know. Like a mist or something after the snow's landed. I have no idea. What is that? Is that ice? Wow, that looks very remote. What is happening? I don't know what that was. A crack in the... I have no idea what that was. But look at the size of this damn tornado. Oh my God. What are you...
Incredible.
Is he Russian? He's probably going to drive into it. What the... That is crazy. Look at the size of it.
Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nor imens.
Wow, that looked horrendous. Oh, wow. Is that hail? Again? Oh, yep. Yep.
These windows were shattered by a massive hailstorm that hit Denver in 2017.
Wow. Oh. Oh my God, there's somebody down there. Get out of the way.
In this crazy video, nature decided to mess with some tourists. While they were climbing the Kizilmen volcano in Russia, a powerful rockfall started.
Аккуратнее. Еще один идет.
Oh my God, look at that rock. Oh. The guy in red's just standing there. It's like, yeah, whatever.
Еще идет, аккуратней.
I don't get out the blood.
Check out this insane footage from the 2011 eruption of Shimodake volcano. It was filmed 9 kilometers away from the crater. But even from that distance,
It looks like you're just right on top of it.
the ash cloud was enormous. It was so bad that it forced railway lines to close and several flights to be canceled.
Wow. You can hear it as well. Listen to that rumble. Oh. Oh, maybe that's the car. But man, look at that. That's impressive.
Hurricane Dolores hit Uruguay in 2016. It remains the most destructive hurricane to ever hit the country.
Oh. Oh. I love how this guy's just walking out there like, what's around the corner? What is it? What's going on? Oh my God, get back inside the house or wherever. Underneath the house, probably.
It's still there, and yeah.
On average, Wyoming sees about 12 storms each year, and the tornado season peaks in June.
Towards
Wow.
this thing. But yeah, anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen.
Yeah, mom sent me texts going, you left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back.
Oh, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
I know. This is awesome.
Oh my God.
I know.
It's kind of awesome, but terrifying at the same time to know that it could shift and come after you anytime. That is horrendous.
Got the camera on it.
Oh my God, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close, though, we need to back off.
Yeah, we'll
These images were filmed in Brisbane, Australia
Hey, Brisbane.
in 2014.
Yeah.
It almost looked
Yeah.
like nature wanted to wipe this city off the face of the earth.
I remember this storm hitting Brisbane, 2004. Wow, I can't believe it was that long ago. Dang. But yeah, that was a pretty bad storm. Pretty bad storm. Oh. That car down there looks like it's already been bashed around already. Oh. Yep. I would say that's already been bashed about. Oh, see ya. I tell you, Mother Nature's got so much strength. We don't know. We don't know. We're nothing. Nothing compared to it.
If you underestimate how thick the ice is, you might end up having to pull your car out like this.
Oh my God, what are they using? Oh. Bit of a detail, mate. She'll be right. What the? Oh, that's not good. That doesn't look good. Oh, what's going on here? That just normal? That's a lot of people hanging about with the raging river right next to it. Okay. Okay, well, I guess that's nothing. That was interesting. That just goes to show, again, how strong Mother Nature is. You know, when she wants to turn it on, you turn it on. As I said about water, you know, it's such a life-saving liquid, but man, when it gets angry and it's taking cars away, houses away, you know, just everything. It's Mother Nature can be very, very scary. As I said, we've just gone through a cyclone here in Brisbane. Got out the other side, no damage, thankfully. But man, lucky we don't get tornadoes like that. We don't really get mudslides, not here anyway. But yeah, some of those some close calls, some very scary looking weather. Very scary. Look at that mudslide and everything. Oh, scary, scary time. So let me know what you thought of that one, guys. Thank you very much for joining me today. Make sure you stay safe, and I will definitely see you in the next reaction video. Oh, you're still here? You want more content? Why don't you check out my Patreon down here? You'll get plenty more content and some exclusive videos over there too. If not, why not check out this one over here?